Guess who got their first Voxbox in the mail? Me. Welcome back to my channel, and this video is gonna be all about Influenster. And in case you guys don't know what Influencer is an app/company where you could post reviews on different types of products such as makeup, skincare, food. I honestly don't want to review food because first of all, I have plenty of food in my house. That's besides the point. I just got my first Influenster box, and it is the Belif Aqua Bomb Lip Mask. It actually came in the mail today, which I was not expecting. It was like a complete surprise. Not only I got this baby in the mail today, but this little card came in the box as well. It tells you exactly what you need to do on your app, and this is what it actually looks like. At the end of this video, I will tell you exactly how much this costs at Sephora. But for now, let's test this baby out. Okay. I'm gonna be completely honest with you, I never used this brand before. So this is what it looks like. It looks more like a lip balm. Try to put some on. I should put a little bit more. Okay, so this is how it looks. Looks glossy, but either way, I like it. I have chapped lips, so this works really well for me. Last night I applied the ColourPop Overnight Lip Mask that came in the Powerpuff Girls collection. I woke up this morning with my lips still kind of chapped. As soon as I apply this, and once I wake up tomorrow morning, since I have a doctor's appointment, I hope and pray that my lips will not be as chapped as today. So on a scale of 1 to 10, I would give this a 9 out of 10. This was something that I've always wanted to try, and I like it. I think it's kind of cute. So tiny. Okay, so after reviewing this cute little thing, let me tell you how much this little thing costs. At Sephora, you're not gonna believe how much this actually costs. $20 for a lip mask. $20 at Sephora, and Influencer shipped this to me for free, complimentary. Now, don't get me wrong, I love Sephora, but their prices, they're crazy. If you're looking into purchasing a lip mask that will leave your lips moist, this is the one. I highly recommend this little product. So that is it for today's video. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and click that notification button, that little bell right there. Also, be sure to follow me on all my social media platforms. It will be listed on the description box below. That's about it. Subscribe to my channel, comment on my video, give it a thumbs up, and follow me on all of my social media platforms. And